What they found at the campsite has haunted investigators for over 6 decades. The tent was found sliced open from the inside. Not from the outside, from the inside, as if they were desperately trying to escape from something inside the tent, or they needed to get out so urgently they couldn't use the door. But here's what makes absolutely no sense. The hikers fled into the freezing night. Temperatures were around -25 to 30 degrees Fahrenheit, wearing almost nothing. No coats, some had only one shoe. One hiker was found wearing only underwear. The bodies were found scattered across the area. Some had massive internal injuries, fractured skulls, broken ribs. One woman was missing her tongue and eyes, but with almost no external